The following is a demonstration of the installation and operation of the Aspis model, but all MDS models are installed similarly. Use caution when handling or moving any MDS defensive barrier. The Aspis model ships assembled and weighs over 300 pounds. The Xephos and Felix models are shipped unassembled in pieces that individually weigh less. Installation. Typical tools required for installation include pencil, tape measure, level, stud finder, hammer, nails, drill with drill and screw bits, pry bar or other lifting device. Step 1. Mark 6 inches up from the bottom of the unit. Step 2. Use a level to draw a horizontal line. Step 3A. Locate stud center lines. Step 3B. Mark their locations on the line you made in Step 2. Step 4. Add nails along the line to support the mounting bracket. Step 5A. Align the holes in the mounting bracket with the stud centers. Step 5B. Check for level and use a nail to make final adjustments. Step 6A. Pre-drill the holes at stud locations. Step 6B. Install lag screws into studs. Step 6C. Remove nails. 2 or 3 adults are required for the last step. Use caution. The Aspis model weighs over 300 pounds. Step 7A. Position the unit in front of the mounting bracket. Step 7B. Use a pry bar or other lifting device to raise the unit and push the top of the unit against the wall. Step 7C. While supporting the unit, remove the lifting device and push the bottom of the unit against the wall. Step 7D. Lower the unit onto the mounting bracket and center the unit. You're done.